Welcome to my channel, Rika's Crafty Creations. We're going to jump right into decorating this tree. I am adding the ribbon right now. I've already done the larger ornaments and some of the greenery. This ribbon is going to be 2 strips of red and then a black and red plaid. You can see as I'm adding the ribbon, it's really starting to give the tree character and life. So if you struggle with decorating a tree, I encourage you to find some ribbon first and look at the colors that are in that ribbon, then use that to decorate your tree. I'm adding the florals now, and this tree is really starting to take on life. So the inspiration for this tree really came from these really pretty magnolia blossoms. And you can see that they're plaid and red and a little bit of yellow. Plus, I also saw this tree. What reminded me of this is I saw a tree in a magazine, Better Homes and Gardens, and they had this same color scheme, and I thought, oh, I have that stuff, I can do that. So that was my inspiration to dig in my stash, pull stuff out, and see if I can recreate something similar to that tree. So this is what I'm going to put on next. I also have these picks that go with it. So they're just little curly cues, so we're going to add that into the tree and see what we can do, and then we've got some other things coming up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and please share it with a friend. We've got more good stuff coming up. Stay tuned. So I just picked up these lanterns from Kroger. I'm really excited about them. They were like $6.99, and that is my type of price. So I picked these up. I'm gonna try to add these to the tree. What I really love is Walmart had these garland ties. They're 10 from a pack, 10 two-way pack. And they look just like royal tinsel for the Christmas tree. So this hides your mechanics really well. So what we're gonna try to do is I'm gonna go through the top of the lantern and then attach it to a branch on the tree and see if we can get just a different look. So let's see what it does. So these are some hollies I picked up from the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. They came in a pack of 2, and I have not seen them since. And this was literally 4 or 5 years ago. But anyway, I'm going to add these to the tree. I think it's going to give it, you know, just that natural feel that I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So this is the final look of the tree. I redid the topper. I added some bows and some picks and stuff on top, and those holly berries, I got some more and put those up there. This is in front of a wall, so I changed my mind about it being double-sided. And I am just loving the look of the berries, the eucalyptus, just the mixed greenery in here. I am really liking it. And then what makes it even better, I feel, is it's up against the blue curtain. And this is really just saying to me that this red and navy blue is just gorgeous. So we've got some more to do in this room, so stay tuned for future videos. Thank you so much for watching this one. Please don't forget to share this with a friend. Subscribe to my channel. Be part of the Rika's Crafty Creations family. And we will see you in the next one. Merry Christmas, everyone.